The big event, it's just a celebration, and I saw it as a celebration even from the beginning. I was the principal at Oakwood Intermediate School 40 years ago, and they put a call out for nonprofits for people who needed work done. We had an old gym there, and we had about 30 guys on scaffolding. They painted the entire inside of the gym. We've had so many good times over the years. So, you know, we love college students. It's just a good time with them. A&M is such an integral part of our community, and they're wanting to tell us thanks, but at the same time, I want to tell them thanks, because if it wasn't for them, you know, what would College Station be? Selfless service is putting others first. And for students to actually live out that value and believe in that value, no, nowhere else but A&M.